Okay, so you've got an Apple Watch and you would like to wear it on your other hand, but you don't like the orientation of where the digital crown is. You would ideally like it to be this side. How do you change it? I'm going to show you that in this video. Hey there, welcome to the video. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so let's jump into this. We're going to change the orientation, and to do this, you'll need to go to Settings, then scroll down to General. Then from within here, press Orientation. Now this will let you select the wrist that you want to have your Apple Watch on. So of course, if you're left-handed and you want the watch like I've got it here on the left, you would select left, and right for right-handed. Now, let's just say you've put the Apple Watch on your right hand, but you want the digital crown on the left, or even like I'm wearing now, let's just say I want the digital crown to be on the left-hand side. Maybe I find that more comfortable. Simply tap that, and you'll see it changes the entire orientation. So if I take the Apple Watch off and put it back on, we can now see that I'm able to orientate and use my Apple Watch with the digital crown on the left-hand side. So you might be asking, why can't I just turn the Apple Watch upside down? Well, if you did that, of course, everything would be upside down. The actions of the digital crown wouldn't work the way you want. So that's why you've got to do this. So that's just a quick tip today, and I hope that helped you. If it did, let me know in the comments section below. And if you want to learn more about the Apple Watch, or if you want to learn some secret tips, check the playlist up here.